Today's question is to write a program to input two digits and perform addition operation on them and print final answer using pointer. Let's start our code by writing the basic syntax of C. Has include stdio.h, which includes the standard libraries like printf and scanf. Has include conio.h, void main, clear screen and getch. Let's declare the variable n1 and n2 and sum. In asterisk pointer 1 and asterisk pointer 2. To take input from user, we have to first write it, enter first digit, scanf %d and ampersand n1 printf scanf %d ampersand n2 pointer 1 equal to ampersand n1 and pointer 1 equal to ampersand n2. Here we write the ampersand because pointer store address not value, and the ampersand, which is address of operator, gives the memory address of number 1 and number 2, which is assigned to pointer 1 and pointer 2. After addition of two pointer, we are going to print the final answer. Printf, the addition of two digit is %d sum. Let's see the output.